Thuthukile Zuma, the daughter of former President and Umkhonto weSizwe Party leader Jacob Zuma, has launched a sharp critique of her father's political movement, describing it as a directionless and lacking ideological substance. Speaking on the latest episode of the Sunday World Engage podcast, Thuthukile, a member of the ANC Johannesburg Regional Task Team, likened the Umkhonto weSizwe Party to a Namoba, saying it was difficult to follow or take seriously, and said, "I'm not sure what their policies are. I'm not sure what their ideological inclination and leanings are. I'm not entirely sure what it is that they are offering to the electorate in terms of where they want to take South Africa." Thuthukile dismissed speculation that she is secretly aligned with her father's party, insisting that her loyalty remains firmly with the ANC, and said, "My focus is on servicing our people and changing lives for the better," rebuffing suggestions that her family name undermines her political commitment. Reflecting on Johannesburg's political and service delivery challenges under coalition rule, Thuthukile urged that the ANC still represents the city's best hope for stability and progress, and said, "We have to introspect as the ANC, but I'm steadfast. We must work hard to win back our people's trust, not be distracted by entities that stand for nothing." She contrasted the state of the city under former ANC Mayor Park Stau 2011 to 2016 with the glaring failures she attributes to the DA-led coalition that took over in 2016. According to her, Joburg's current dysfunction, from broken streetlights and traffic signals to pothole-ridden roads, emerged under opposition-led coalitions later joined by Action SA, and said when Park Stau was a mayor, "We never really had these glaring service delivery failures. Of course, there were challenges, but never a bankrupt, collapsing city." Pressed on the ANC's own performance since regaining leadership of Johannesburg, Thuthukile said the party had inherited a collapsed municipality and was now constrained by coalition politics, and said the ANC cannot do everything it wants to improve service delivery. Every decision, even the smallest, has to go through multiple coalition partners with whom we are not always ideologically aligned. That slows down governance and makes implementation very difficult. Still, she maintained that the ANC is slowly turning the tide, citing encouraging results from recent by-elections. Thuthukile believes the ANC can rebuild its credibility and reclaim outright control of Johannesburg in next year's local government elections, and said by-elections show that our people still crave ANC leadership. They see the failures under coalition governance and know that the ANC is capable of turning the ship around. That is why we must work harder than ever to secure the authority needed to govern effectively. In a political landscape complicated by new parties and fractured alliances, Thuthukile's message was unambiguous. Despite her surname and her father's new political home, her future and her fight lies firmly with the ANC. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.